everyone, this is Fiona, the Young Adult Librarian, and today I'm going to show you how to make these cute and easy BBQ Grill Cupcakes for Father's Day. So let's get started. So for today's craft, you're going to need your cupcake, some gummy bears, some chocolate or frosting, dark frosting, vanilla frosting, some bowls, wax paper, toothpicks, red and yellow or orange food dye, a piece of paper, a pencil, something with a round top you can trace, and then we're also going to need a flat tray or dish. So first what we want to do is make the grill out of chocolate because that needs time to harden and set. So you want to take something round that's smaller than your cupcake top. And you just want to trace the circle because it's going to be the stencil. So like that. You can make a couple of them. So next we want to melt our chocolate. You just want to pour it into a container. And then what we're going to do is put this in the microwave at 50% power for 1 minute. Then we're going to stir it and then microwave it for 30 seconds until it's completely melted. So while you're melting your chocolate, you just want to take a tray or a dish, something flat, and you're going to put your template down. And then you want to put some wax paper over it. So, and then we will get our chocolate. So then you want to take your chocolate and put it in a piping bag, or you can even use a Ziploc bag. And basically what we're going to do is trace the outlines of our stencils, circle, and then you just want to add the grid lines inside of the grill. So, and then what we're going to do, once we have these done, you want to put them in the fridge to let them harden. So now while we're waiting for our chocolate to harden, what we want to do is make the rest of the decorations. So you want to take 2 separate bowls with your vanilla frosting, and we're going to add red to one, and then either orange or red and yellow to another to make orange. We're just going to stir it up. Make colored frosting. So now we want to take our cupcake and you want to frost half in the red and half in the orange, and then we're going to kind of mix them together. Like so. A little bit of a mix. And I have some red sprinkles, which are totally optional. You don't need to have these. And next we're going to prep our skewers. So you want to take some gummy bears and a knife. And what we're going to do is cut the gummy bears up to about 3 pieces. We're going to cut a bunch of different colors up. And once you have some cut up, you just want to take your toothpicks and you're just going to put the gummy bears on there so it looks like food. So you see I have my little skewer here. And for our very last step, we're gonna take our hardened chocolate and we're gonna place that on top of the cupcake. So you wanna take your chocolate and very gently peel it off. And then what we're gonna do, just very carefully place it on top. And then put your little skewer on there. And there you have your completed cupcake. So here you can see my finished cupcake. It's a couple of steps, but honestly it's very easy to make if you prep everything ahead of time. And it looks really cute, and it's definitely a unique kind of cupcake. So I hope you enjoyed this craft. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for other crafts.